Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Meet on your phone and signing in. This links your calendar and contacts. Once signed in, grant microphone and camera access so audio and video work during calls. Make sure notifications are allowed so invites appear instantly. Then tap Join with a code if you have one, or tap Start a Meeting to create a link. Notice the preview screen, check camera angle and mic level. This prevents surprises once participants join. Once you have the meeting link or code, tap it to join. If you created a meeting, tap Share to send the link via chat or calendar. Choose your audio. Use device audio for built-in mic, or tap Call Me to have Meet dial your phone. Make sure to toggle camera and mic icons before entering. Muted mic is a common mistake. You can also change background effects or enable live captions to improve clarity, especially in noisy environments. During the call, use the chat for quick links and the participants list to pin or mute people. This helps you control focus. If you need to show something, tap More and choose Present Screen or Start Recording when allowed. Recording save to Drive. When finished, tap End Call, confirm, and close the app to free resources. If audio or video fails, make sure permissions are set, restart the app, or toggle airplane mode briefly to reset the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.